Welcome to Farm Tech Unleashed, where we explore the forefront of innovation driving heavy machinery and farming equipment. Here we witness a unique scenario where a single concrete pouring machine with a retractable boom outperformed all the workers present at the construction site. Although, truth be told, each worker contributed significantly. The swift transplantation of mature trees without root damage is made possible by specialized machinery. Witness firsthand how seamlessly the process unfolds. The self-propelled crawler mini machine will perfectly cope with any, even the thickest vegetation, so you can rest easy. However, it turned out to be a spectacular event. Everyone was eager to see how the new film stacker worked, and as you can see, it formed perfectly the mini greenhouses on the beds. Carrots can be harvested quickly and efficiently, and most importantly, with a minimum amount of manual labor. If you want to be able to do the job quickly too, you can't do without a carrot harvester, at least a single row harvester. How to dig up large trees. You've already seen, but now you're facing a technique with specialized equipment that is clearly different from its competitors in operation. Drilling a flawless hole in the ground isn't always a straightforward task, but with this compact yet dependable iron companion, any job becomes achievable. Witness the sheer force and might exhibited by this technological behemoth equipped with a pitchfork as it effortlessly manages an entire orchard planting. It appears as though no obstacle can impede its progress. The challenge of fallen autumn leaves is effortlessly addressed by owners of this innovative air blower. It operates at peak performance, effectively clearing away debris with ease. Once again, behold the formidable power of a high-voltage arc. With its characteristic fiery capabilities, weeds on the land plot stand no chance of survival. In times when funds for expensive farm equipment are limited, it's crucial not to lose hope. Here, ingenuity prevails as this individual takes matters into their own hands, devising a solution for their land that rivals even some professional options. And if you're accustomed to managing the snow plowing process yourself, a smart machine equipped with a blowing tube and a powerful engine will undoubtedly become your dependable companion. Human innovation knows no bounds. It took a significant modernization effort to transform an ordinary tractor into an invaluable tool for assisting in winter fishing endeavors. At times, no advanced machine can rival the ingenuity of individuals striving to simplify their labor. With this circular saw, these individuals are bound to achieve success. This immense technological marvel, mounted on two large tracks, is poised to handle any work scenario with exceptional proficiency. Still struggling with harvesting winter logs? There's no need, as you already have a reliable machinery option capable of swiftly managing such a challenging yet crucial task. A stone crushing machine equipped with a self-loading bucket is indispensable for rapid production of high-quality concrete. When your mind generates various unconventional ideas, it also produces corresponding inventive solutions. Hopefully, this handyman will find worthwhile applications for his remarkable machine. Highly potent drain cleaning technology has proven to be exceptionally effective. Say goodbye to concerns about heavy rainfall and the possibility of flooding. No more swimming to work due to clogged drains. Robotic cleaning utilizing blasting technology, including dry ice, is a remarkably safe and efficient method that also treats the pipe surface gently. When the ordinary motorcycle doesn't suffice, and you're eager to showcase your creativity and imagination, you must possess impeccable balance for such maneuvers. The crawler transporter effortlessly handles the task of moving large construction machinery through snowy off-road conditions. Ever wondered about the construction of large bridges? Specialized construction equipment is indispensable for handling all aspects of such a challenging endeavor. Simply position the wood beneath the rotating device and calmly supervise the process. Rest assured, this machine equipped with two knives swiftly pulverizes any material it encounters, delivering results of superior quality compared to even the most renowned chefs. This invaluable agricultural tool enables effective management of numerous processes in the planting field. The intricacies of how this complex mechanism operates are far more captivating and impressive than its output. One might question the need for workers to devise innovative solutions when a concrete leveling machine, purpose-built for the task, can achieve perfection effortlessly. Modern equipment is engineered to streamline and simplify tasks, even those deemed challenging or impossible. Consider the considerable time and manpower required to manually transport all these logs to specialized loaders. Thankfully, there are specialized pieces of equipment designed for such tasks. Witnessing these individuals at work may seem ordinary, but with the assistance of a specialized machine, they effortlessly handle the intricate task of twisting hundreds of parts within a day. In the realm of modern woodworking machinery, bandsaws stand out as a popular choice for sawing logs into boards and planks due to their ability to achieve optimal wood density. Witness firsthand the remarkable capabilities of this device. These rotating components of the large machinery are fully capable of handling any type of wood, ensuring no log can evade their firm grip. Lies in selecting the appropriate device for their cleaning process. Utilizing this wood sawing apparatus results in flawless wood blades. Once the necessary parameters and configurations are set, this mechanized woodworking hand will promptly fulfill all your desires. Mounted on a tractor, a large circular saw can carve out a substantial trench in concrete. It's a practical machine, albeit a tad dusty. This exemplary Chinese truck crane, boasting a lifting capacity of 1,200 tons and an empty weight of 920 tons, was purpose-built for hoisting wind turbines. Eager to put his new assistant to the test, the worker mounts it with enthusiasm. As demonstrated, this Caterpillar machine is operating at full throttle. Harvesting green onions from the beds can prove challenging, but with a mechanized assistant, consolidating all the produce becomes a pleasurable task. Even with a motorized hand tool for drilling earth, the process remains superior to manual labor-intensive methods. Wouldn't you agree? A specialized slicer facilitates the swift processing of large volumes of nearly any vegetable. Adhering to safety guidelines is paramount, keeping hands clear of the sharp blades. For entrepreneurs passionate about their business yet mindful of their health, this innovative equipment appears to provide a seamless solution, making tasks effortless. This multifunctional machine serves as an ideal plowing and perching tool for farms. With its array of attachments, soil preparation for subsequent work becomes a breeze. This motor-operated high-frequency vibrating rotor knife unit is ideal for swiftly removing small trees and shrubs that are out of place. Although harvesting combines may vary in appearance, the intricacy of their operation remains captivating to observe. It truly is a fascinating spectacle. Behold the optimal tool for breaking up rocky soil, producing undeniably impressive results. Witness the garlic planter firsthand, right before your eyes. Designed for the meticulous care of vegetation, including small trees, shrubs, and hedges, the new side trimmer ensures tidy streets, gardens, and parks. Furthermore, don't forget to engage with our content by sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel to stay updated on. This waste paper and recycling baler is an ideal device for reducing output volume by up to 10 times, providing significant space-saving benefits for storage and transportation convenience. The precise and flawless operation of a professional bending machine is captivating to watch, holding your interest for extended periods without diverting your attention. Our latest releases. Thank you for joining us, and we eagerly anticipate your presence in our next video.